Hello, today we are going to start the process of creating the pack tower pack lists. So the first thing that you're going to want to do when you're creating the pack list is you're going to need to export your information out of Caterease. So you're going to run three different queries. You're going to be running an event query, an event items query, and a function query. So when we're running the event query, we're going to make sure that we're setting our dates for one day out from where we're going to be packing. So if we're making it for the 24th, we're going to want to run the query for the 25th. This is because we're packing one day in advance of the delivery, and the dates in Caterease are sent by delivery. So day of delivery, 25th, we're going to run this event query. And once we're in here, this is your standard pull that it does whenever you run the query, but we do have preset layouts for this. So for event query, you come up here to the layout button, you're going to go down to address export, and this will give you the template that you need for the addresses to create the pack list. So all you're going to do here is you're going to right click anywhere in this window, you're going to click export data and Excel spreadsheet. Make sure that include grid formatting, expand all groups, and use native format are the only things that are selected, and click OK. And then save it somewhere on your computer. I'm going to go ahead and save mine. I'm going to be writing over a past export, but I'm going to be saving it right here. I usually title this one address export with the date of delivery at the front. The reason I'm setting it to date of delivery when I'm saving it is because I want to make sure that I am anchoring myself when I'm looking at the menu. It just helps as a really good guide when you're going through the event items. So the next thing we're going to run is an event items query. So again, within date range, you're going to put it for one day out from packing. You're going to exclude items without quantities and items without totals because there are a number of items that we don't want to be pulled on here, little notes that might be associated with each item or with each event. And then we're going to make sure that we're only pulling definite events. We're going to click OK to run the query. Once again, it will do its standard pull. You're going to go to layout, and for this one, we're going to go to exports. Once again, right click anywhere in that data grid, export data, Excel spreadsheet, click OK as long as everything is set the way it should be, and then we're going to save again. This one I just title export since it is the file we'll be doing all the work in, and I once again keep the date to the date of delivery, and click save. And then finally, once that's been generated, we're going to run a function query. Same as before, make sure your dates are set, make sure you're excluding everything except for definite. You don't need to be excluding anything here right now because they're not relevant to what we're doing today. We're going to click OK. Once it does the standard pull, come up here to layout and then go to route export, right click anywhere in that data pane, export data, Excel spreadsheet, click OK. And then go ahead and save this one as the route export and click save. All right, we'll be going over what to do next in the next video.